For almost 30 years, Sealpack UK has been supporting food manufacturers to achieve their ambitions. Combining innovative German design with British service and ingenuity, at Sealpack UK, we give you the power to deliver. Our comprehensive and flexible solutions are designed to increase performance and evolve with the changing market needs. But what really sets us apart is our people. We've pulled together a specialist team over many years who are committed to forging long and lasting relationships with all our customers.
From the early days of inside cut and modified atmosphere through to the latest in vacuum packing technology, we are proud of our reputation in packaging solutions. Today, the major trends are around innovative packaging solutions that are more sustainable, use less plastic and create less waste, while ensuring that machinery investments are as flexible as possible for the future. We remain at the forefront of sustainable innovation for the issues facing the packaging sector today.
Our world-class machinery is complemented by industry-leading packaging, processing and quality control technologies. What this means is that from weighing to inspection, skewing, we can provide complete line solutions which are designed to optimise your results. We're proud to work with specialist partners including Cabinplant for multi-head weighers, Raytec, who offer lightning-fast visual inspection systems, Sleegers, who design and manufacture slicers and automated handling systems, Zingers, who provide high-speed auto-loading systems for sausages, and Meveg, who offer the most flexible automated kebab skewing machine on the market.
Your success is our success, and we've built our business by putting our customers' needs first. Maximum uptime at minimal cost is a heavy focus for us to deliver the cheapest cost per pack. Continuous training is something our customers tell us makes a critical difference to their businesses, but that's just one part of the ongoing support we provide. We will help you increase your overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, reduce your downtime and ensure your production lines are running to their fullest potential in a way that is repeatable and consistent all year round.
It's time to look to the future with Sealpack UK, combining world-class experience with cutting-edge packaging solutions to help you succeed in a rapidly evolving industry.